nowadays. These cities are becoming more dense and complex day by day. Thus, there is an overloading of downtown area, and the securing of underground space is inevitable to fill such a shortage. Traditional open cut and cover method commonly used to develop underground space secures the underground space by constructing the road after controlling the traffic or constructing detours and then filling up the road once again. This method, however, presents critical shortcomings, including severe traffic jam, excessive land compensation cost, generation of civil complaints, and others. With an effort to resolve such problems, we ultimately got the results through indomitable passion and creative research. A construction method highly praised by prominent experts and received the Award of Excellence in and outside of the country. Historic incident and challenge that opened a new chapter in special no-dig construction method. We will introduce NTR construction method. A leading special no-dig construction method, NTR is a construction method which builds the structure in advance within the large diameter steel pipe pressed to the ground, excavates the tunnel with such structure as its roof, and safely builds the target object as the name of new tubular roof suggests. NTR construction boasts the safety in construction without the risk of collapse, even in weak ground with minimum cover of 0.8 meters and ground of soft and hard rocks with the use of large diameter steel pipe. No foreignness between connecting structure and cross-section under progress and environment friendliness in which there is no damage to the nature when constructing the pit mouth of the tunnel. Economics to prevent traffic jam caused by the shift of underground utilities, detours, traffic control, and others. Social loss by various civil complaints and save the construction cost. It is revealed that NTR construction method with above traits is outstanding technology, intensive construction method compared to any existing no-dig construction methods. We will look into the details of NTR construction method through case studies of construction from now on. It is Gyeongjin Expressway, a hub of domestic logistics. We have planned a difficult construction of building subway station under the expressway for the first time in the world. Total 3 stations of Incheon Metro Line 2 were designed with application of no-dig construction method, and all 3 stations were constructed using NTR construction method, outstanding in all criteria compared to other construction methods, as a result of conducting considerable amount of investigation. Suknam Station, with the largest scale among them, was constructed by building temporary underground facility at both ends of Gyeongjin Expressway, constructing project base and box structure using NTR construction method, and constructing mainline station at both sides of project base to complete large tunnel. We will look into the construction order composed with 6 stages of NTR construction method, which uses a project base. In Stage 1, temporary underground facility shall be constructed in order to complete the structure. In Stage 2, large diameter steel pipe shall be pressed in for each stage in order to secure the workspace of stable structure without ground subsidence after the excavation to the press-in location of temporary underground facility. Large diameter steel pipe, larger than the thickness of structure, provides spacious workspace, which increases the work efficiency and possesses spatial capacity to perform sufficient countermeasure even when encountering the obstacles within the ground. At the site, large steel pipe with a diameter of 2.3 meters was used. Press-in method of steel pipe is to press the steel pipe into the ground with hydraulic jack, which exerts the strength of over 1,000 tons using the reaction of fixed reaction wall. Soil within pressed-in steel pipe reduces the friction force within steel pipe with simultaneous performance of press-in and excavation. As the excavation method for soil within steel pipe, mechanical excavation of soil in tunnel face, manual excavation for outbreak prevention, carry out of soil with equipment, press in of steel pipe is executed repeatedly in such sequence. Also, the construction error is prevented by measuring the linearity through laser at back during the press-in of steel pipe at all times. Densely inject the grouting around the steel pipe for the stability of ground, which is loose after the press-in of steel pipe. Mobile grouting completely blocks the ground subsidence as it spreads widely and densely fills in the outbreak that may occur. In Stage 3, pressed-in steel pipe is connected to one another, and waterproof steel plate shall be welded and installed to secure the space for structure. After cutting the side of steel pipe, install waterproof steel pipe and the earth pressure support fixture for earth pressure support. Steel plate is installed twice with the interval of 1.2 meters. Thus, it prevents the deformation of steel plate and secure the adequate space for structure. As the joint between steel pipe and waterproof steel plates is tightly welded, complete exterior waterproofing of structure can be achieved. In Stage 4, steel formwork and steel bar are installed for the installation of structure within steel pipe. Considering the space between the earth pressure support fixture, steel bar coupler shall be used for the placement of main steel bar. As the space for steel pipe at the exterior of structure is utilized, flexible and accurate placement of steel bar is available for the structure. In Stage 5, deposit concrete for structure within the steel pipe. Deposition shall be conducted from the inside through concrete pipe, and void within the steel pipe shall be removed with the grouting after the curing. In Stage 6, conduct excavation of tunnel within the structure and install bottom slab. Structure can be completed without deformation of structure, as the exposed steel pipe is removed during the tunnel excavation. Middle slabs are each installed to proper location, and then bottom slab is installed after the installation of permanent spread beam. We will look into the construction order of main line station in 4 stages, using the inside of project base after the construction of project base. Mainline station is an arch-shaped structure which is applied of TR&T construction method, another no-dig construction method of our company, in which the construction conducted through rib-shaped girder and stress-carrying material between the pressed-in steel pipes. In Stage 1, steel pipe is pressed in for mainline station in turns at both sides when excavating the tunnel. In Stage 2, stress loading materials, which load stress from external earth pressure between steel pipes and waterproof steel plate girder of rib shape, are installed. For waterproof steel plate girder, the side of steel pipe is cut, and all 4 sides are welded and installed with waterproof steel plate in order to secure the space for girder. Thus, perfect waterproofing can be performed. In Stage 3, steel plate girder and steel bar within steel pipe shall be installed, and concrete deposition shall be conducted accordingly with the span. In Stage 4, excavate cured tunnel within structure, install permanent spread beam on the bottom, and install bottom slab for each stage. Install middle slab above the installed bottom slab and complete the construction of structure. Another trait of NTR construction method is simultaneous performance of structure construction work in stages at the top during the press-in of steel pipe. NTR construction method, which can perform complex procedures, presents outstanding ability in shortening the construction period compared to other construction methods with the difficulty of performing complex procedures. Therefore, it is a construction superior in saving the construction cost accordingly. Also, NTR construction was used and in use at over 50 difficult construction sites in and outside the country. Representative sites of NTR construction method include Xinlei Site Station of Shenyang Metro Line 2 in China, and construction of Soknam Station, Soknam Intersection Station, and Gyeonggi Station of Incheon Metro Line 2 in Korea. By performing difficult national projects, including the lower transit of main roads in Korea, including Gyeongbu Expressway, West Coast Expressway, Gangbyeon Expressway of Seoul, Honam Express Railway, and others, it has contributed to the national development and economic growth while enhancing its status as leading construction method of the industry. As a construction company of NTR Construction Method, Nts다미건설 will strive to bring complete satisfaction to customer and contribute to development of construction, which marks a new era in the history of technology, under the company ideology to accomplish perfect construction without a single error through indomitable passion and development of creative construction method without giving up at any difficult circumstances. Thank you.